Hey guys, this is Sadhan from Sadhan's Cooking. Today I'm back with a smoky and delicious recipe. Yes, today we are making Paneer Tikka Masala. Let's get started. Let's get into chopping. Let's finally chop some onions. Let's also dice some onions. And let's dice some capsicum. Also dice paneer into cubes like this. Dice some tomato and keep all your veggies aside. Now take a bowl of water and add some of the diced tomatoes and Kashmiri red chilies and bring them to a boil and let them cook for a few minutes. And then take it aside and you have to make it into a puree. Yeah, I don't know how my mom does that. It was very hard. Now take another pan and to this add half a cup of mustard oil and put the flame on very high heat until you start to see smoke coming out of the oil like this. At this point, let the oil cool down a little and then add your besan, half cup of it, and then mix everything together. Now add some Kashmiri red chili powder and mix it. It is for that bright red color. Now add some Kitchen King masala. Add some salt as per your taste. We are basically making a marinade here for the veggies. Add some black salt, some black pepper powder, some turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. This is freshly crushed. And once you mix everything together, it's time to add some dry mango powder and add hung curd and mix everything together until it turns like this. Now it's time to add some roasted kasuri methi that it brings out a very good smoky flavor. Now it's time to add your paneer and all your veggies. Mix them gently, coat them in the marinade. Just fold them over and coat it with the sauce. Be very gentle here. And then it's time to smoke veggies. Just put a hot coal, add some ghee on top, and once it starts smoking like this, cover it up for 2 to 3 minutes and all of the veggies will have that smoky flavor incorporated. Now, after that, just cook on medium flame for around 5 to 10 minutes and then keep it aside. Now, take another pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Turn on the flame on medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. And once they start to pop and you get that smell, it's time to add your finely chopped onion. Cook these onion on your medium heat, and once they turn like this, it's time to add some coriander powder, some cumin powder. Mix it and add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Do not add much of spices here, it's just to add that flavor to the gravy, that's it. Now it's time to add the paste we made. Mix everything together. Let it boil, let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Once you see the gravy is starting to get thickened, it's time to add some roasted kasuri methi powder. Once it becomes like this, it's time to add your vegetables. Once you add everything, mix everything together very gently again. We don't want the paneer or the veggies to break apart and become a mushy mess. Once you've mixed everything together, it's time to add fresh cream. This is freshly skimmed cream on top of the milk. It cannot get any fresher than that. And once you mix everything together, it's time to plate it. When you're here with me, baby, say the word and we can disappear. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway. Let's get away. See how good and creamy that is. As a final step, just smoke it again. That's it from me, guys. It's a very easy recipe to make. As always, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos like this.